Want to spruce up your home but don't have a lot of time to spare? No problem. There are a number of cool home additions that you can assemble in minutes and completely transform a space. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Temporary walkways. Creating a temporary walkway for events is as simple as snapping together a series of great mats portable outdoors and tent tiles. These portable 1x1 foot plastic tiles can be installed over virtually any outdoor surface with a tap of a heel and you're good to go. They have a high traction surface that is also smooth enough to accommodate mobility aids such as walkers and wheelchairs. The rigid tiles hinge allows them to contour slightly to uneven surfaces. They can also be disassembled after use for easy storage and transportation. When installed over grass, they help to protect the grass through the use of a raised base that limits the compression of the grass blades. It also has a perforated surface for quick drainage. EasyShed. EasyShed is a company that specializes in selling garden sheds. They offer a wide variety of sheds to suit all purposes, from storage sheds to garden studios. Their sheds are made from high-quality materials and come in with a lifetime warranty. EasyShed also offers free fitting and delivery on all of their sheds. The company is based in Australia, but they ship their sheds all around the world. They have a workshop in Albury, New South Wales, where they manufacture all of their sheds. EasyShed is a great option for anyone who is looking for a high-quality, affordable garden shed. They offer a lifetime warranty on all their sheds, so you can be sure that you're covered if anything goes wrong. EasySheds come flat-packed with easy-to-follow instructions, so you can assemble your shed in minutes. FenceTrac. FenceTrac is a metal frame fence system that is designed to be strong and durable. It is made from 18-gauge galvanized steel, which makes it stronger than wood, and has a textured polyester powder coat finish that helps to protect it from the elements and will be less likely to be damaged by wind, rain, or snow. FenceTrac is a modular system that can be fitted with a variety of different materials, such as wood, vinyl, or composite boards. This allows you to create a fence that looks great and meets your specific needs. FenceTrac is a system that is easy to install yourself or by a professional contractor. And unlike wood fences, FenceTrac fences do not require regular painting or staining. NDS Ezflow. The NDS Ezflow is a gravel-free, prefabricated French drain system that is designed to be easier and faster to install than traditional stone and pipe drainage systems. It is a convenient subsurface drainage alternative for managing surface water and protecting property. The Ezflow's poly-rock aggregate features engineered flow channels that increase capacity compared to traditional gravel French drains. Because it eliminates the need for gravel, Ezflow can be installed in significantly less time than traditional gravel and pipe systems. Ezflow is made from a material that is designed to last for over 100 years. It is available in a variety of sizes to meet the needs of your project. Individual Ezflow drainage bundles are 10 feet in length and range in weight from 2 pounds for the 7-inch aggregate-only bundles to 13 pounds for the 15-inch bundles with pipe. Stratco Raised Garden Bed. Stratco offers a variety of raised garden beds made from pre-painted steel that are designed to be durable and long-lasting. They come in a few different sizes and colors, so you can find one that fits your needs and style. They are made from pre-painted steel that will not rot or warp and are easy to assemble with no tools required. Stratco raised garden beds are a great option for anyone who wants to create a beautiful and functional raised garden bed. They are easy to care for and will last for many years. ZShade Canopy. ZShade Canopy is a brand of instant canopies that are perfect for providing shade at outdoor events, such as picnics, sporting events, or camping trips. They are also popular for use in commercial settings, such as at markets or fairs. ZShade canopies come in a variety of sizes and colors, and they are relatively easy to set up and take down. They typically have a folding frame that pops up into place, and they can be secured to the ground with weights or stakes. The 10 by 10 feet canopies are the most popular size of ZShade Canopy. They are large enough to provide shade for a picnic table or a group of people sitting in chairs. The 13 by 13 feet canopies are ideal for providing shade for a larger group of people or an event where you need more space. And the horizon canopies have a curved top that provides a more aesthetically pleasing look. Deck tiles. Deck tiles are a great way to create a beautiful and functional outdoor space. They can be installed quickly and easily, even by do-it-yourselfers. Most deck tiles simply snap together and no nails or screws are required. And unlike wood decks, they require little maintenance and can be used on a variety of surfaces, including concrete, patios, balconies, and rooftops. Deck tiles come in a variety of materials, including wood, composite, PVC, and plastic. Wood deck tiles offer a natural look and feel, but they require more maintenance than other types of deck tiles. Composite deck tiles are made from a mixture of wood and plastic, and they offer the look of wood with less maintenance. PVC and plastic deck tiles are the most durable and low-maintenance option, but they may not have the same aesthetic appeal as wood or composite deck tiles. Buschbeck. Buschbeck is a German company that manufactures outdoor products. They are known for their high-quality products that are made from durable materials such as concrete and cast iron. Buschbeck products are designed to last for many years and provide a lifetime of enjoyment. Buschbeck offers a wide variety of products to choose from, so you can find the perfect one for your needs and budget. Their most popular ones include outdoor fireplaces. Buschbeck outdoor fireplaces are a great way to add warmth and ambience to your patio or backyard. Barbecues. Buschbeck barbecues are known for their even cooking and durability. And pizza ovens. Buschbeck pizza ovens are the perfect way to make delicious pizzas at home. All of these products come in a variety of sizes and styles to fit any space.